Hello, welcome. Welcome to my evening vlog. And today's vlog is about tea. What I drink in the evening before I go to sleep. I drink my diet tea. You see, I have this tea. Help me dance para nindot imuhang imuhang kalawasan day dong. I drink this tea. This is not a sponsor, no. I hope I can get a sponsor. I really love mga pangpagamay ng mga product. Ini pangpagamay. Any kind of product. Yeah. Yeah. Sige na, tagay na ko yung sponsor. Para natay kwan, i-abrihan ba? For now, I didn't order anything. So, ato na lang unbox nga to ang kwan. Wala tayo unbox, no? So, aman tayo unbox. Unsay unbox na to? Di kaning tea, di ba? We gonna unbox the tea. Unsaon pag kwan gamit ani, no? First, you boil water. Next, you unbox the tea. Oh, diba? Okay. Muna natin unboxing bag of tea. A Royal King. Yeah. So, karon, now I'm going upstairs. Wait for maybe couple minutes before you drink this royal tea. And then in the morning, gawas na ni sa imuha. Imo ni siyang i-deliver. In the morning, you're gonna go deposit. Ano? Not gonna deposit. Yeah. You're gonna deposit. Basta deliver, ha? Basta mo na siya. But yeah, this tea is good. This tea is good. It's not sponsor. It's nothing sponsor. Muna, naghuwat ko sa inyo nga sponsor na ko niyo guys, no? Para na ako'y unboxing. It's been a while that I haven't unboxing any stuff kay wala naman ko nag-order. I didn't order anything because I'm gonna save money, no? Mag-save na tag money day kay we're getting older. Nah, we have a lot of young children always saying you're not compatible with this dance because you're old. You're not supposed to be dancing, you know, your grandma. Yeah. I know they're just so funny because when these young children always say, "Oh, you're so old, mama." They don't know na mahimo po sila tigulang someday, you know. But now since they're young, you're always, "Oh, you lola, you don't need to be dancing." But don't die. Para mo digon imong mga tuhod, you keep on moving yung kado dong die, no. You keep on dancing. Make you stronger, okay? So, let's go upstairs. Milo na taog mag-vacuum sa tagsalog, no? Kay what time maglimpyo og morning. So, I don't have time in the morning to clean up. So, when I finish work, I had time to clean up. But before I go upstairs, I'm gonna turn off all the light because you know this time a year we really need to save money. We need to turn off all the light para makasave ka og kwarta, no. We need to be careful of what we spend. Hindi pa mga suga. We need to turn it off. Yeah, turn off all the light if you want to save money. Turn off everything that you don't need to, that you don't need to be open, whatever the thing. Just need to be turned off, then turn it off. You're gonna turn off this light right here. It's gonna be blurry. Now I'm gonna vacuum my floor. So, samahan niyo ako mag-vacuum, no? I also have laundry every night. Before I go to sleep, I have to fold laundry. Yeah. Walang katapusan na pagtutupi ng mga labahan, no? Before I put this laundry away, I'm gonna vacuum my floor. Dry. This is the life that you're looking for. Yeah, so I have some basket over here. Yan. We're gonna clean up a little bit. No, yan. You think I'm just dancing? I'm not dancing. I'm so cleaning, you know. So you like cleaning? Okay, I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. Cheesy a bumblebee. Okay, let's vacuum the floor. Just only here because I feel like, you know, so dusty. So ilagay lang natin dyan. Okay. You need to pick up everything in the ground because I don't want this vacuum suck all this paper right here. So whatever in that thing, you need to turn it off. You need to pick it up and put it in the trash. Let's turn on. Maingay ito, no? Maingay. So, talaga naman, no? So now it's time to put all this laundry that I fold. Okay. Tupi na. Humana na siya og tupi, no? It's done. Already done. Folding all this laundry. Now it's so now malinis na yung ating higaan, no? So, yeah. Time to relax. Mag-relax na taog. Uinom na taog tea. Have a good night. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga ginagawa kong vlog. Mabuhay.